Good morning. This is part one to a series of trying new recipes in April. Even though it's not technically April, it's gonna be April soon enough. I love the Asiago cheese bagels from Panera, but I do not love the fact that they make you pay $2 for the cream cheese. So I'm gonna make my own, and you guys get to come with me. This is the first of many new recipes. Come into Walmart with me. I stared at this cheese section for so long, and then Google was my friend for the first of many times in this video and told me what Asiago cheese looked like, so I got it. Got the goods, ready to go. So I am going to be cutting this recipe in half. Oh my gosh, this is exploding. I need 3/4 cup and 2 tablespoons. Okay. Goodness. I really don't like scooping flour. It just like bothers me. This is self-rising flour, by the way. Basically, I'm just mixing like 3 different recipes together. I don't have like an Asiago cheese air fry recipe that I found. So then I'm just gonna have to like put cheese on there. I don't really know how much or when so we're just gonna wing it. We're just gonna see. I'm also just hoping that Google was right when it said half of 1 3/4 is, 1 3/4 cup is 3/4 and 2 tablespoons. We're gonna hope that that was accurate. Unmixed yogurt is like incredibly unsettling. I think everything tastes good right now because I'm hungry. And I was gonna make toast and then realized that the jelly that I was like, oh, we have jelly in here, expired in June of 2022. Oh my gosh, it's a good thing that I split this recipe in half because this is exactly half cup of yogurt. I really thought that would be more. I'm surprised. But now I'm gonna dump that into my little bowl. I've made this combination before with the self-rising flour and the Greek yogurt. And the first time I did it, I was like, this isn't combining. But I literally just have to knead it really good. Like you have to really get your hands in there and pour it on the counter. Because this is what it currently looks like. And then I combine it with my spoon for a little bit until that doesn't work. And then you just gotta go in with your hands. I'm gonna have to go in with my hands pretty soon. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to dump it out on here. I know this looks like it's not gonna work, but you have to trust the process. And as I said, after about just a minute of kneading it, it came into dough. I have no clue if what I'm doing here is the most efficient or effective way possible because I had never made a bagel, but here's me trying to shape the dough to make it look bagel-esque. That looks beautiful. So now I'm just melting my butter so that then I can rub it onto my bagel to prep it for my cheese. And once that's all rubbed in, I go and I grate my Asiago cheese. And I just kind of eyeballed it at this point because like I said, I didn't have like a actual recipe. And then put that on my bagel, put some nature seasoning on it, and threw that in the air fryer. Sounds dry. Okay, my first one's done. And it looks beautiful. Nice and crunchy. When I order bagels at Panera, I get really mad, or bagels anywhere, because they only put cheese or the ingredients on half of it. So I'm gonna flip mine over and then put cheese on the other half of it, and then it'll bake all the way through. Look at this beauty. And it's coated all the way through. Now I'm gonna cut it in half, slap some cream cheese on there and taste it. This is the only issue is this isn't cutting amazing, and it's kind of hot. Hot. It's gonna look a little mangled. Both bagels are done, and both sides are all cheesed up. And now I'm gonna put some cream cheese on there. and then taste test it. Okay, I've got my bagel with cream cheese, and I'm gonna have my taste test. That tastes good. That tastes really good. I wouldn't say it's Panera quality. I'd give this a 9 out of 10. Hair's still looking whack, but I have my bagel in my tummy, and it was actually really good. And I will be reusing that recipe and trying it with like cinnamon crunch bagel, everything bagel, maybe putting some blueberries on there because it was so easy, and I highly recommend if you have an air fryer, and if not, you can probably do the same thing in the oven. Overall, I give this a 9 out of 10, and the only things I would do different is I'd probably make the bagels a little bit thinner so then I could cut them a little bit easier. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was really fun to make, and I will be doing more cooking videos because I've been very interested in it recently. So if you have any suggestions, let me know if you want to see me try something. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
Soundstripe.